So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program to input a sentence and print those words which are starting with a vowel. So first, I will declare here a variable named m in which I will take input of a sentence. And then I will write here m equals to m dot upper. So this will transform the sentence into uppercase, and then I will split those words from the sentence. So I will write here m equals to m dot split. So that's it. Now we have to start a for loop as it is recommending. So we will write here for wd in m means word in m. We can see that. So we will write here if wd means the word is it starting with these vowels or not. We will check it. So let me write here. So this is the program. Okay. So let me explain what will happen here. First, we will take input of a sentence and then we will make it into uppercase and then we will split. Let's say if a sentence is entered like I am Angel. So what this will do is this will convert this into this, and then what this will do is this will convert like this, and then when I will start a loop, so first I will be came here, so this will check is this starting with A. So no, this is not starting with A. And then it will go to second one. Is this starting with A? No. And the goes to next one. This is how it will work. So let's see it in action. Let me run the program. Okay. So for the first time, I will write here I am Angel. So here you can see as I is a vowel and A is a vowel. So these two words get printed. Let me run this program again, and this time I will enter another sentence. Let's say I will enter hi, I am a full stack developer. So here you can see I am a, which are starting with the vowel. So our program is running well and good. So this is how you can write a program in Python to print those words which are starting with a vowel. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.